Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered, how did all of this begin? I mean, the stars, the galaxies, the vast dark in between. Today, let's take a mind-bending trip through time and space as I try to answer the biggest question ever. How was the universe formed? All right, let's wind the clock back. Way, way back. I'm talking 13.8 billion years ago. Before time, space, and matter even existed, there was nothing. And then, bam, the Big Bang. Not so much an explosion in space, but the sudden appearance of space itself, expanding from a single, infinitely hot and dense point. In less than a second, the universe went from microscopic to roughly the size of a galaxy. That's some serious growth spurt. But right after the Big Bang, things weren't exactly peaceful. The universe was a wild, hot soup of particles, protons, neutrons, electrons, bouncing around at insane speeds. It was too hot for these particles to settle down and form atoms. Instead, they slammed into each other, breaking apart, coming together, breaking apart again. Pure cosmic chaos. Fast forward about 380,000 years. Things finally cool down enough for protons and electrons to slow dance together and form hydrogen atoms. Light, which had been trapped, finally escapes and fills the universe. This is what we see today as the cosmic microwave background. It's like the baby picture of the universe, and it's still out there if you know where to look. Now, gravity takes the stage. Tiny clumps of matter start pulling together, growing bigger over millions of years. These clumps become the first stars and galaxies. The first stars were absolute monsters, hundreds of times bigger than our sun. They lived fast, died young, exploding in massive supernovas that scattered new elements across space. Suddenly, the universe isn't just hydrogen and helium. There's carbon, oxygen, iron, the ingredients for planets and life. Imagine, every atom in your body was forged in the heart of a star that exploded long before our sun was even born. In a very real way, you and I, we're made of star stuff. So the universe wasn't built overnight. It was forged in chaos, shaped by gravity, and sculpted by time, and it's still evolving. Right now, galaxies are racing away from each other, space is stretching, and new stars are lighting up in distant corners. Over billions of years, galaxies collide and merge. Stars are born and die, and planets like Earth take shape. Next time you look up at the stars, remember, you're seeing the end result of 13.8 billion years of wild cosmic history. The universe is still writing its story, and somehow we get to be a part of it. If you want to dive even deeper into these cosmic mysteries,